There are a lot of expectations from Margarito here, but so everyone, Manny Pacquiao surprises with the first round. Where is that he throw combinations, just negating, no? Babalik yung distance kasi nasabi natin na nung Margarito sa laban natin na pura dahil sa bilis ni Manny Pacquiao. 5 inches, 6 inches, sabi niya, kaya kitang abutin.
Yeah, that right factor was well, it was there in the sense that Manny could have finished it earlier when it meant for the fact that he had to keep away also from that long reach, you know, but well, speed is really, you know, when you're fast, you have a big advantage in boxing.
Pero alam mo, pag tinignan mo rin talaga, naghanda sila para sa ganitong klaseng laban. This is not something you just do, just because you came over here. You plan for it.
Yeah, ang upload.
That is exactly what Manny Pacquiao has done. He's a testament to a person who really listens and
Upload ba?
and really just pushes himself to be the best in what he does. People want to eventually see you, of course, fight Mayweather if he passes the test against Shane Mosley. Your thoughts on that possible matchup?
Yeah, you know, I mean, I want that fight because people want to see that fight. It's a very good fight. And right now, you know, I'm so happy because I know the support of the fans.
Great wall.
Like tonight, my fight is, you know, amazing and unbelievable.
Hey, Bor. Gusto na mo daw, Bor, man?
There's a lot of people who
Birthday. Upload to yaw, Toy. Upload, Toy. Upload, gid.
Upload ba?
Bota, oh.